Hey everyone, spring has arrived. So I thought a good way to introduce this video is by springing into action. Lame, I know, but why not? Hey everyone, it's Andrew. As always, I hope you're doing really well wherever you are. In this short video, I want to give a very important tip, which is perhaps especially important if you are new to jumping rope. And it relates to how you hold the jump rope handle. The other day, I was helping someone learn how to jump rope. It was basically their first time jumping rope, and they were making a key mistake. And what they were doing was they were wrapping their four fingers around the jump rope handle, as can be seen here, but they were placing their thumb over top of their other fingers. Now this grip is great if you want to throw a punch, if you're a fighter or a boxer, because it keeps your thumb out of harm's way. But when you jump rope, ideally, for most people, you want to keep your thumb on the top of the jump rope handle. Your thumb gives you a lot of control and helps you to spin the rope. And that becomes very important, control and spinning the rope proficiently, when you want to learn how to do jump rope tricks. If you've ever played golf, or if you've ever fly fish or played hockey or used nunchucks before, you will know that the index finger and the thumb are extremely important for control and spinning techniques. So I can jump rope using just the index finger and the thumb. I don't even need to use the other three fingers. I'm just going to give you an example here. So same here, my other hand. Just those two fingers can give you a lot of control. So notice I'm not even using 6 fingers. I'm only using 4 fingers. And even if you aren't new to jumping rope, so say you have been jumping rope for quite some time and you use this technique where you have your thumb on top of the jump rope handle, I highly encourage you to at least try jumping rope using just your index finger and thumb on top of the jump rope handles. It will really give you a good feel for the feel of the rope as it's spinning. And it's really good for strengthening your index finger and your thumb. And imagine if you're able to jump rope using just 2 fingers, imagine how much better you're going to be when you include all 5 fingers. So I highly recommend trying that the next time you jump rope, maybe just for a warm-up even. Try jumping rope, just start with some 2-foot hops, and then maybe try some more advanced jump rope moves using just those 2 fingers. It'll be an element of challenge at any rate.